So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to turn on light theme on the Moomoo application. So as you can tell, light theme looks exactly how my phone looks right now. But if you're on dark theme, for instance, and you don't know how to change it back, go to the top or bottom right, press on the Me icon, go to the bottom and press on settings. Go down 3 to where it says general and press on that. So as I was saying before, I'm currently on follow system, so it'll go back and forth. But yeah, if you have dark theme selected and you want to change it to always have light theme on, obviously press on light just like this. And now what's going to be happening is your Moomoo account will always be on the light theme. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to turn on light theme on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.